No, it's a laughing process, Danny. Only yesterday you were dreaming of a penis.
Yeah, the only thing on my mind is how many peanuts drop.
Every now and then you say something that makes me think you're smart. And then I look at you and that's not me.
I know it's correct for us. Nobody cares to offer him, but nobody.
You didn't tell me what today is.
It's Thursday.
You are so wrong.
No, I'm not. I'm the only sober person in this conversation, the only one with the calendar on his watch. So yeah, it's fucking Thursday.
The day I would have done it. And he remembers.
Great floor lamp. Leaves you plenty of space to decorate. Blends in with any decor. You have the on and off on the floor. And then you have a nice handy remote. You can tell the different lighting that it brings. And we have the night light. And then, love it. I love my floor lamps. This one, the lighting is, if it could be a little bit brighter on the highest setting, it would be great. I keep it basically.
Okay, I figured it out. Okay, I'm assuming maybe kitchen, night mode, baby feeding, computer, and book reading. I can turn each one up and down and light or dark. And then I have a 1 hour button. I'm assuming it'll shut off after an hour.
This is what it looks like. I can turn it on with the remote. Boom. Boom. Turn it down. Brighten it back up. Want it to go this way? Okay. How about this way? Alright. We can go. Boom, boom. And you have a timer. I honestly never use that. Normal, you know. You know.